Do you want to organize your yarn? Well, let me help you. I have 5 different ways how you can organize your yarn easily right now. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. So let's get started on how to organize your yarn 5 different ways. Number 1, you can organize your yarn in brands. That means you grab your yarn and put them into different shelving like I have right here, and you can organize it by the brand that you're buying it from. So let's say We Crochet, Knit Picks, Line Brand, Premier Yarns, Yarnspirations. There are so many more. You can literally have a box or a shelving unit like me that you can organize into just that specific brand. I have an example like that right here. This is my shelf for just We Crochet yarn. Number 2, you can organize your yarn by color. Yes, you can mix it up no matter which brand, which weight, whatever it is. Just put them all into one shelf that has all the same colors. For example, this one is my shelf that shows all the purple yarns that I have. You can do the same thing. It doesn't matter what yarn brand or what weight it is. Just put all the yarn skeins, balls, hangs, whatever you have into one shelf, box, or wherever you like to store them. Number 3 is you can organize your yarn into the type or the weight of yarn. That means you could put all worsted weighted yarn into one shelf or box, wherever you store your yarn. Like everything that is worsted weighted yarn goes into one, no matter what color, what brand, whatever it is. Just put them all in one. And then you label it and say this is all worsted weighted yarn, or fine yarn, or bulky yarn, or jumbo yarn, whatever it is. You can organize it that way. Number 4 would be projects. You can organize your boxes, your bags, like work in progress bags, or whatever it is, into projects. Yes, just organize your yarn into projects and say, hey, these are 5 skeins of XYZ yarn in worsted weight, and that is all the yarn I'm going to use for this sweater or cardigan or whatever you're doing. Just put them all into one box or shelf or whatever you feel like it, and have them all organized by project. Now, that can be a little bit challenging once in a while because not every box is the same size and not every yarn is the same volume, or not every project has the same amount of yarn. So the boxes or the shelves might be empty or overfilled. So this can be a harder one. What I like to do is organize the yarn that I already have, that I don't know what project to use for, and organize them on my shelf. All the other ones are in bags that I specifically have for specific projects that I'm working on. So there's multiple ways how you can use this little tip in organizing your yarn. And number 5 is your favorites, which means you can organize your yarn into favorites. Meaning, for example, if you say, I love We Crochet's Mighty Stitch yarn so much, I have all the different colors of that or different weights. Yes, they do have different weights for that specific yarn. You could just put them all in one box and say, this is my favorite yarn and I always know where it is and I grab it when I need to. So you can put them all in one box, shelf, bag, wherever you store it in, and have all your favorites in one. So you organize it by, this is all these favorites, then these are these favorites. I'm telling you, if you do it by favorites, you can easily figure out which yarn you don't really like working with. And then you use that yarn to either sell it, donate it, gift it. So many different ways what you can do with this yarn that you really don't like. It's okay, we all have certain yarns we don't like or that we're even allergic to. So you do what you wish. I gave you 5 different ways how you can organize your yarn easily. But hang on, that's not it. I have something for you that helps you along with this project in organizing your yarn. I have a little freebie ebook for you. You can grab in the description or up here somewhere, and you can download it. It is a little ebook that lets you organize your goals for the year or for 5 years, 10 years, whatever, and it helps you organize your yarn. It has different templates, so you can organize the way you wish, and you can print them out as many times as you like. So that way you can organize your boxes and shelves and put all the paper in there so you know exactly how much you have of each, or what you have and what you don't have. So go grab that freebie, it's all yours. Just look in the description for the link so you can grab your freebie. I hope this video was helpful on how to organize your yarn 5 different ways. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel to get more of these types of videos, or videos where I teach you how to crochet a pattern or a tutorial. Be sure to turn on that little bell so you get a notification the next time a new video is published or I'm going live. Until next time, I see ya. Bye.